What's up everybody? How are you all doing? I hope you're doing well. I'm feeling beautiful and full of energy this morning, you guys, and I'm so happy. I'm doing a video that was recommended by one of my subscribers, and that is how to care and clean for your electric pressure cooker. Is that how you're supposed to say it? How to clean your electric pressure cooker. Yeah, so guys, if this is your first time here, my name is Mercy and I make content about lifestyle of a stay-at-home mom, and I'd really like it and love it if you subscribe and join the channel. And also, if you learned something from this video, don't leave without giving it a thumbs up. Okay guys, so I have done numerous videos in regard to electric pressure cooker. Please check them out. I have a tutorial of how to use this type of pressure cooker for a beginner and how to cook different types of meals, so you can check it out. And I think if you are my subscriber by now, you're already familiar with this. Okay, it comes with 3 elements. We have the lid, we have the inner part, and the heating element. This one, the whole of this is the heating element, and it's so heavy, you guys. So yeah, let's get to the video, guys. The first thing that we get is this inner pot. As you can see, it's made of a non-stick material, so I'm going to show you how to clean it. But before that, let's deal with this heating element. And as you can see, guys, I actually left it dirty intentionally so that I can show you how to clean. So the first thing that I do, I disconnect the power so that it's easier for me to like turn it around. And actually the cord is not that long, guys. So I remove the cord. And one thing you should keep in mind, this heating element should never be immersed in water, never. Okay, so what you do, or what I normally do, I take my cloth, drain as much water as I can, so it's now damp. And so I'm just going to wipe the inner side of the pot to get rid of the burn marks. I don't know whether you can see. So I'm just going to wipe it down. Make sure your cloth is damp and not like dripping water inside. So I'm just going to wipe it down like that. And don't forget the sides, okay? And so yeah, our inside is as good as new. So the thing to note is not to insert this one in water. So the next place, let me just rinse it off. Okay. So I'm going, okay, in this water I've put like 1 drop of dish soap so that it's not so soapy, because it's not like we're just wiping it down. So I'm going to wipe around the pot to remove, you know, the marks and everything. And so that's good. Now let me show you the dirtiest part, you guys. Let me just show you. Can you see around this area? It gets very dirty because at times food particles usually spill all over. And so I use the same thing. This one is thin enough, and so it's able to go up and down and just get rid of the food particles. So guys, sparkling clean, as you can see. So that's how you tackle cleaning. That's how you tackle cleaning the heating element. Okay, so now let's move to the other items of the electric pressure cooker. Okay, the next element is this inner pot, and as you can see, it is made of a non-stick material, and so you don't want to use something that can scratch this surface. Like mine, I've had it now for more than a year, and you can see it still looks as good as new. So what I use is this normal dishcloth, and I'm going to be using this dish soap. Hey, that word is a tongue twister. So it's cleaning. So also, if you have a dishwasher, this one is safe to be cleaned using a dishwasher. Then you're going to let it dry. So next we move to this lid. So the lid seems to be a bit complicated. At first I didn't know how to clean it. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to remove this sealing ring. It's very easy to remove, and at times this sealing ring usually picks up the taste, the smells of the food, and so okay, I cooked meat and it's not that smelly right now, but if yours is smelly, you can use a mixture of here I have a mixture of vinegar, baking soda and dish soap, so you can use that if it's a bit smelly and actually soak it so as to get rid of the smell. But for now I'm just going to use normal soap because it's not smelly, and the last time I had actually done that and cleaned it thoroughly. So this time I'm just going to use soap to clean it. So we're going to let that dry as well. So the next thing, this is how the lid looks. So I'm going to remove this valve. So you just have, it's so easy to remove, and as you can see, it's quite dirty inside. And also we're going to remove this control nozzle. I don't know whether that's how it's called. So I'm going to push this one in. I'm going to push that in and then just remove. This is like a plastic, and then this one just comes out automatically, so that I'm able to clean that area which is so dirty. So for some pressure cooker you can also remove this one, but mine I've realized it's so tight. I don't know, I can't be able, I've never been able to remove it. So let's start by cleaning this small stuff. It was quite dirty, you guys, so always remove and clean it so that it doesn't accumulate a lot of dirt, and then they are cooking your food and thinking. And then be careful, some of these things, they are really small na inaweza ingia hapo kwa sink. So we clean that, and this one as well. They're really small. I don't know whether you can see what I'm doing, but yeah. So now for the rest of the lid, you can use soap and water to clean. So now guys, our lid is so nice and clean, as you can see. So we are going to fix back these stuff, especially these small ones, because zinaweza potea. So this side that is marked is the one that comes this side ya nje, and then ukiingiza you press it in so that you're able to fit it with this other one right here. Yeah, like that. So it's a bit flexible. That's how it goes. And for this one, it's really simple, by the way. Just fix it in and that's it. So I'm going to let it dry together with this. Actually you should just let them dry separately. By the time nazirudisha zikuwa zimedry vizuri. But for the purpose of this video, let's just return the sealing ring. And for this sealing ring, you have to be very careful. Uirudishe vizuri. Make sure you return it well, because if it's not properly what? Kama hujaiweka vizuri, if it's not in place well, you're going to have trouble building pressure. And so make sure you secure it well. Yeah, and that's it, guys. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. I hope you have learned how to clean your pressure cooker. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, share it, all those good stuff. I'm going to be seeing you on my next one. Bye.